Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both your phone and TV must be on the same Wi-Fi band and visible to each other. Once done, enable the device's screen sharing or smart view feature and grant permission prompts. This lets them discover one another. Next, restart the router and both devices to clear transient network hiccups and make sure any VPN or proxy is turned off so local discovery can run. Doing these first steps quickly weeds out the most common connectivity blockers. Once basic checks are done, move into deeper troubleshooting. You should update the TV firmware and the SmartView app. Compatibility issues often break streaming. Next, reset network settings on your phone or clear the SmartView cache to remove corrupt entries that block pairing. Also, inspect your router. Disable AP isolation, enable multicast and IGMP snooping, and ensure client isolation is off so devices can see each other on the LAN. These steps address discovery and protocol level. To finish, try a wired fallback like an HDMI adapter or a Chromecast to confirm the issue is wireless related. This both restores functionality and isolates the cause. If you still need to test, create a temporary mobile hotspot and connect both devices directly to see if the router is at fault. If all else fails, back up any settings and logs, then perform a factory reset as a last resort. If problems persist after reset, note error codes and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.